Before we start complaining that children in Africa are starving, let me show you step by step on how you can grow this nutritious food and vegetables in your backyard. Then you can become the world's superhero. I want to show you how you can grow tomatoes, eggplants, sukuma wiki, kale, red lotus, green lotus, cabbage, and those who want it hot, I will teach you how to grow red pepper in your backyard. But for today, I want us to learn how to grow our own cabbage in our backyard. So, for those who have been following us, you could have watched our video showing you how we prepare and take care of our nursery bed for it to come out like this. Yeah, so this is our nursery bed for our cabbage. Let me first put our eggplants down. So these seedlings are very delicate. That's why I'm removing my gloves and I'm going to use my hands. So this is our seedling, which we are going to plant in our backyard, and in 2 to 3 weeks it will be a full and complete cabbage. But first things first, we have to prepare our garden where we are going to transplant our seedling. So I'm taking you where our garden is. We've been using these gardens for some time now, and today we are going to use them for our cabbage. We've been using them for tomatoes, sukuma wiki, and today we are trying cabbage. So this is our garden. As you can see, this here is a portable garden. You can set it in your backyard, in your school compound, in your home compound, and at your office, where you can get nutritious vegetables in a small piece of land. On a very good day, you can actually make it look good and nicer. Since I told you that our seedlings are delicate, we have to prepare it, and I'm going to get my rake. We're going to use this to prepare our garden. Okay. So before making the video, I first did some preparations, though I didn't complete. It is not that tiresome for those of you who are scared of farming. You want to use a lot of energy and time. It only takes around 10 to 15 minutes to complete all the process, from preparing the garden to transplanting to watering to mulching. But I'm going to show you process by process, so stay tuned. To our new viewers, please hit that notification bell and subscription button. If it is your first time on this channel, please hit that subscription button and notification bell, because we need it. Because the more the views and interactions, the more young people, young girls are reached out and supported in underserved communities. So before doing the video, we had poured some water. That's why our soil is soft, and I think we are almost done. So after using our rake, we are going to remove all the rubbish. I'll call it rubbish. Just to remind you, step 1, we prepared our nursery bed and took care of it for 3 good weeks. And step 2 is preparing our portable garden. How do we prepare it? We are going to break down the soil, remove all the weeds, and pour some water to make it suitable and more convenient for our seedlings. So we are currently removing the weeds and rubbish from our portable gardens and leveling, because we are going to have multiple. We are going to have many. So, as you see, I'm leveling our soil, at the same time removing the weeds. These are the weeds. These ones. So, our portable garden is looking more beautiful than it was. Yeah. You can use gloves, but hands do it better. You can also break down these debris, break down the soil. So preparing our garden is done, and we're going to get a stick. For those of you who have small hoes, you can still use a small hoe. Those of you who have small garden tools, you can use that to create holes in our portable gardens. But you don't need such expensive tools. We can use either a stick or our hands. So if you're to use your hand, you use these 4 fingers, dip them, but it's a dipping. So come and see the hole. You create something like this and get your seedling, gently put it in the soil and cover it. Yeah. So that is our first seedling that we have transplanted. But as I told you, we are transplanting more. Come, let's go to the nursery bed and get more seedlings to transplant. As I said, we are first picking the ones that are ready to be transplanted, because I can't pick a seedling like this, yet I have a grown seedling like this. So I have to first pick the ones that are ready and big enough to be transplanted. Yeah. So even uprooting them from the nursery bed, you have to be very careful because it has to come with the roots. You have to be gentle. This is what I'm talking about. It has to come with the roots. Yeah, with every root. It will help it to grow faster. I think you people have to try this because it doesn't take a lot of time. It is done in a small space. You can do it at your home, at your office, in your free time, lunch time. Remaining with only one to go, and I'll put that here. After transplanting, we are going to water our seedlings, and if you've been following, you can please water your seedlings as well. Yes, after transplanting, these seedlings need plenty of water, as in enough water for them to grow. That's why the first day we give them much water. especially in the evening. Tugayo? So friends, if you're still watching this video to this minute, now is the time I should say thank you so much, Webalenyo, for watching this video. Remember, the more engagements you have on this channel increases our chances of getting this channel monetized and reaching more young people in different communities. And all the money raised from this video will go into sharing this skill with many young women and young men from underserved communities and rural communities in Uganda. And if you would like to support directly to this cause, there is a link in the description. In the next video, I'll be showing how far our crops have gone, and I'll show you how you can transplant and grow eggplants in your backyard. So, thank you so much for watching. My name is Peace. Mwela lenyo!